Hello my beautiful human beings, it feels so good to be back. Welcome back to my channel. I was away for a little bit because I was on vacation. I was actually at a music festival, and because of that my throat's feeling a little bit sore today and I am feeling a little bit under the weather, but I was like, you know what, I gotta film for them. I can't let them down. It's been too long, I have to film. So I created this summertime glowy makeup look for you guys using the Carli Bybel palette today. I'm so excited. I just got this and I don't know why it took me so long to pick it up because it is really pretty. The shadows are super pigmented and so are the highlight shades, and so if you guys want to see how to get this look, just keep watching. I'm going to start off by priming my face with my Smashbox So Chill Coconut Water. I'm just going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation today, and I will be applying that with my StansOut Beauty Sponge. Alright, so now just picking up my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, I'm just going to go in and put this under my eyes, down the center of my nose, and a little bit on my forehead and chin, just to balance out today's highlight. Now I will just be setting my under eye with some translucent powder, and I will be setting the rest of my face with my BareMinerals BarePro powder. And then just bronzing with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. For blush, I will be using my Sonia Kashuk blush in the shade Flamingo. And for highlight today, I will be dipping into my Carli Bybel palette, and I will be taking this highlight shade right here and I will be putting this onto my cheekbones. Now I will be filling in my brows with my Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit. And then setting them with my Gimme Brow by Benefit. Alright, now I'm going to be highlighting the under part of my brow with my BH Cosmetics Flawless Brow Highlighter, and I will be using the shimmery side today. So I'm just drawing it on, and then I'm just going to blend it out with my ring finger. Alright, and for today's eyes, I will be dipping back into my Carli Bybel palette, and I just want to do something that's wearable for the summertime, kind of glowy, and just like an everyday look. So the first shade I will be using is this middle shade right here, and I will be using this as my transition shade today. Now I'm going to go to the bottom row and take this shade right here and work this into my outer corner. And just slightly bringing that through the crease. Alright, so now I'm going to be taking this shade right here, which is in the upper right hand corner, and I'm going to be focusing this on my lid. I really want to bring out this gorgeous copper shimmer shade, so I'm going to spray my brush with a little bit of MAC Fix Plus just to help further the pigmentation of that shadow, and like I said, just packing that all over the lid. So now I'm going to be taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the shade Chocolate, and I will be using this in place of liner today. I'm not going to do a wing or anything like that. I'm just going to smudge some of this onto the lash line to add definition and also to help conceal the lash band. Alright, I'm just going to go in and put a quick coat of my Roller Lash by Benefit onto my lashes before going in with my Très Chic lashes in the style Chloe. Okay, so now to finish off the eyes, I'm going to be lining my lower waterline with my Morphe eyeliner in the shade Richie, which is just a nice dark brown liner, and this is just going to help to make the eyes pop without being too harsh on that lower waterline. Okay, so now to finish off the eyes, I will be going in with this purple shade once again and just smudging that onto my lower waterline. And then I'm going to be taking this bottom corner shade right here, and I'm going to pack this onto my inner corner as highlight today. I just want my eyes to look very bright and open. I feel like this is definitely going to become my new favorite inner corner highlight, like for sure. It's so freaking pretty and so bright. And then also putting a bit of this on my brow bone as well. Alright, so then I'm just going to go over my lips with some of this Buxom lip color in the shade Poison Nectar. And then just lining my lips with my Sweet Tea lip liner by Morphe. Alright, so this completes today's makeup look. I just wanted to create something that was daytime, summertime appropriate, a little bit glowy. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up. That helps me out so much. Feel free to leave comments down below letting me know what kinds of videos you want to see from me next. And if you want to, feel free to subscribe to my channel. I would really, really appreciate it. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next one.